This is going to show you how to unjam a disposal. You know, a lot of times they're either jammed up because of rust or there's something in there that shouldn't be in there. Looks like there's a O-ring, and then a bottle cap or something. You see it over there, right next to that little propeller or blade or whatever you want to call it. So that's what caused it to jam up, I'm sure. But either way, it's jammed up. You can tell because you're getting motor. That's the motor running. If you're not getting that, it could either be the reset button on the bottom or the breaker. The reset button is down here on the bottom. You see it, the red thing? So that will be noticeably popped out, and you can press on it and hear it click. But we got motor noise, so now we got to go to the center here. I'm having trouble trying to do this on my phone. That piece right there is going to unlock it. I just happen to have this wrench. I kept it because it was cool. Normally this is double. It has it on both sides. You stick it up in there, and you can move it either way. And once it's moving freely, it's unjammed. So it's moving really free right now. So we should be able to fire it up and it'll work, but it's still got junk in it that's not supposed to be in there. So that's a sure sign that there's something in there that ain't supposed to be there. If it's oh yeah, I can see a screw in there now. That was probably what jammed it originally. See the screw right there, nail. Then you got that bottle cap or whatever that is. So I'm gonna stick my hand in there and fish it out, and then it should sound good again, normal.